Okay, hi guys. So this is my charger, my phone charger, and as you can see, it's broken. It's ripped. So anyway, I searched it on how to fix it, and I saw it in YouTube. I saw this. This is what I did. This is my other charger that's messed up. See that? Now I'll show you how I made it, how I did it. So I bought this at Amazon. It's called the shrinkable tube. So let me show you how I did it. Okay, so I took one and I put this here. Okay. So wait, let me show you. Hold on. Okay, I am going to put this here. Okay, and then where's the other one? Sorry, I think I should just remove this. Wait, so this one should be here, and I'm going to put this here. There we go. Yeah. Maybe I should just remove that darn thing. Where was this here? Okay. You know what? Maybe I should just remove that. Anyway, there. Then I put it here. Okay. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of foil here so that I won't have to burn this one. Let me wrap this with foil. Okay. So here. Okay. Now here is my candle. I am going to burn it. I mean, heat it. Okay. Okay. And I'll remove that thing. Okay, there you go. There, it's fixed. There. That looks good, huh? Okay, now I can use it again. Well, thanks for watching.